Do you want to know everything there is to know about the Triton Universal Keyless Multi-Tool? Well, we better get on with it then.
If you've ever used a multi-tool before, then you'll know that whilst it isn't a tool you'll use on every job, there are just some jobs that cannot be done without it.
Ever since we've had our Triton TMUTL, we keep finding more and more uses for it. You can also get an incredible amount of accessories to go with this multi-tool.
There's ones for wood, metal, tile and masonry cutting, as well as sanding, grinding, scraping, polishing and even more. One of the absolute best things about a multi-tool is the ability to do a straight down plunge or what's called a pocket cut, which is almost impossible to do with any other tool.
Another great thing about the TMUTL is the fact that it works with all other brands of bits and blades. We did tell you it was universal. It's also keyless, which makes it an absolute dream to set up. It's a super versatile bit of kit, so let's go through some of the specs.
It has a powerful 300 watt motor. It has variable speed ranging from 11,000 to 21,000 oscillations per minute. It has an oscillation arc of 3.2 degrees for precise control. It features universal keyless tool change, meaning it is compatible with any brand of bit or blade. It has a 3 meter long power cable and it weighs 1.7 kilos.
Now let's take a look at what's in the box. Inside the box you get a carry bag, the main multi-tool unit, one dust extraction collar, one auxiliary handle, a manual, and a load of accessories. These include a round carbide blade and a rasp pad, a hook and loop sanding pad with 25 bits of sandpaper, 2 scraper blades, 3 saw blades, and a case to keep all of your accessories nice and handy.
The on and off switch is latched so it holds itself in place when the tool is in use.
On the back of the tool you have the speed adjustment dial.
You also have the auxiliary handle, which can be connected to either side for greater control when using the tool.
You also have comfortable rubber grips which help reduce vibration.
There isn't a dust bag supplied with the multi-tool. Instead, you're given a dust collar, which is designed to be used with a dust extraction system for use when using the sanding attachment. Always make sure you're wearing the correct PPE when using the multi-tool, especially if you're working with painted surfaces.
There's also an LED work light which really comes in handy, say if you need to work in a cupboard or under a sink. However, the key feature is the keyless bit change. See what I did there? This means that you don't need some super specific tool to change the bit, which you end up losing exactly when you need it. The spindle can either be loosened to attach open-ended bits or completely removed to attach closed-ended bits. Let's take a look at how that works.
So there's no key, just this lever which can be lifted and unwound to loosen off the spindle and attach the bit you want. The buttons on the underside align with the notches on the accessories which can be installed at any angle you like. Then the lever is turned to tighten it all up. Once you've tightened it up, you just flip the lever over and rotate it until it fits back into the slots.
If required, you can then attach the auxiliary handle as well as the dust collar for it to be connected to your dust collection system when sanding.
The TMUTL is a super versatile tool, meaning that it's unbelievably useful to have around the house, particularly if you're looking to get into tricky spaces, which other tools can struggle to do. We're moving workshops at the moment, and it's really come in handy for loads of jobs, including moving our wall of patrons over to the new space.
And probably our favourite thing about it is the fact that any type or brand of accessory will fit in it. So if you've already got some multi-tool bits already, or if there's a very specific bit you've already got your eye on, you can rest assured that it will fit in the Triton multi-tool.
So there you have it, everything you need to know about the Triton TMUTL Keyless Multi-Tool.
It's one of those tools that you'll find a load of uses for, and for some tasks it's the only one that can do the job.
Hope you found that useful.
See you on the next one, guys.
Hurry up.
Special effects.
Oh, that's comfy.
Glamorous assistant.
Oh.